Welcome, fellow travelers. Whether you're planning a relaxing cruise, an adventurous road trip, or a long-awaited overseas getaway, ensuring you have the right insurance coverage is key to a worry-free journey. Traveling should be about making unforgettable memories, experiencing new cultures, and embracing the joy of exploration without the stress of unexpected mishaps. Today, we'll break down essential travel insurance tips specifically for senior travelers, so you can explore the world with complete peace of mind. From choosing the right policy to understanding medical coverage, we've got you covered. We'll also discuss how to find the best insurance providers, what to watch out for in policy exclusions, and how to ensure that your insurance fits your unique travel needs. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the must-know travel insurance tips that will keep you safe and protected wherever your adventures take you. Chapter 1: Why travel insurance is crucial for senior travelers. As we age, travel becomes one of life's most rewarding experiences. It offers the chance to see new places, reconnect with loved ones, and check off bucket list destinations. However, the reality is that travel can come with its share of unexpected events, like flight delays, medical emergencies, or even lost luggage that can turn a dream vacation into a stressful ordeal. That's where travel insurance steps in, providing a safety net that ensures you're financially and medically protected no matter where you go. For senior travelers, having comprehensive travel insurance is even more essential. Age-related health concerns, mobility issues, and unexpected medical needs can arise, making it crucial to have a plan that covers all the bases. With the right travel insurance, you can focus on enjoying your journey without the constant worry of what if. Chapter 2: Types of travel insurance and what to look for. Not all travel insurance policies are the same, and choosing the right one can make all the difference in ensuring a smooth and worry-free trip. Let's explore the different types of travel insurance available and what key factors to consider when selecting the best policy for your needs. Comprehensive travel insurance provides extensive coverage, including medical emergencies, trip cancellations, lost luggage, travel delays, and more. Best suited for seniors traveling internationally, on extended vacations, or those seeking all-in-one protection. Ensures peace of mind by covering unexpected expenses that could otherwise become costly. Medical-only travel insurance focuses exclusively on healthcare coverage while traveling abroad. Ideal for seniors with pre-existing medical conditions or those concerned about potential medical emergencies. Often includes coverage for hospital stays, doctor visits, and prescription medications. Trip cancellation and interruption. Insurance reimburses prepaid, non-refundable expenses if a trip is cancelled or interrupted for covered reasons such as illness, injury, or family emergencies. Helps protect against financial losses due to sudden travel plan changes. Some policies also include coverage for delays or missed connections. Evacuation and repatriation insurance covers the costs of emergency medical evacuation to the nearest hospital or transportation back home if needed. Especially important for seniors traveling to remote areas or destinations with limited medical facilities. Can also include repatriation of remains in the unfortunate event of a travel-related fatality. Annual travel insurance plans. Best suited for frequent travelers, covering multiple trips within a single year. Offers convenience and cost savings compared to purchasing individual policies for each trip. Typically includes a combination of medical, trip cancellation, and baggage protection. Understanding these different types of travel insurance will help you make an informed decision and choose the best plan for your travel needs. In the next chapter, we'll discuss how to compare policies and find the best coverage for senior travelers. Chapter 3: Medical Coverage: What Seniors Need to Know. As we age, medical coverage becomes one of the most crucial aspects of travel insurance. A simple illness or injury abroad can quickly turn into a costly and stressful experience without proper coverage. That's why it's important to understand the medical benefits included in your travel insurance plan and ensure it meets your specific needs. Key questions to ask about medical coverage. Does the plan cover pre-existing conditions? Some policies exclude coverage for pre-existing medical conditions, while others offer a waiver if purchased early, typically within 10 to 14 days of your first trip payment. Always review the policy's definition of a pre-existing condition, as it can vary between providers. What is the coverage limit for medical expenses? Medical costs can be extremely high in some countries. Look for a policy with at least $100,000 in medical expense coverage to ensure adequate protection. Some policies may limit payouts per visit, procedure, or condition, so read the fine print carefully. Does it include emergency evacuation? In the event of a severe illness or injury, you may need to be transported to the nearest hospital or even back home. Emergency medical evacuation costs can exceed $50,000, $100,000, making this coverage essential, especially for cruises or remote travel. Are prescription medications covered? If you require ongoing medications, check if your insurance will cover replacements if your medication is lost or stolen during your trip. Some policies provide direct payment to pharmacies abroad, while others require reimbursement after your return. Additionally, ensure the policy covers COVID-19 related medical expenses, as some insurers still have exclusions for pandemics. Always carry your insurance card and emergency contact information in an easily accessible place. Chapter 4. Pre-existing conditions. How to navigate coverage. Many seniors are concerned about how pre-existing medical conditions impact their ability to secure travel insurance. Fortunately, insurers have designed solutions to accommodate travelers with health concerns. But understanding the rules is key to getting proper coverage. Tips for getting coverage for pre-existing conditions. Disclose all medical conditions honestly to avoid claim denials. Failure to disclose medical history can result in denied claims, even if the illness is unrelated to the disclosed condition. Provide full details about medications, past surgeries, and any chronic illnesses when applying for coverage. Look for plans that offer a pre-existing condition waiver. Some insurers will waive the exclusion if you purchase the policy within 10 to 14 days of making your first trip deposit. This varies by provider. This means your existing health conditions will be covered as long as they are stable before departure. Check if the policy requires a stability period. Some insurers require that your condition be stable for a set period before they provide coverage. Stability means no new medications, treatments, hospitalizations, or significant changes in health during that time frame. Compare different insurance providers. Some companies specialize in senior travel insurance and offer more lenient policies regarding pre-existing conditions. If your condition is severe, consider an insurer that specifically caters to high-risk travelers. By carefully choosing the right policy, seniors with pre-existing conditions can travel confidently, knowing they're protected from unexpected medical expenses. Chapter 5. How to choose the right insurance provider. With so many travel insurance companies on the market, selecting the right provider can feel overwhelming. However, by focusing on key factors, you can find a plan that meets your needs without unnecessary costs. Checklist for choosing an insurance provider: strong customer reviews and reputation. Look for providers with high ratings on trusted review sites and from organizations like the Better Business Bureau, BBB. Avoid companies with frequent complaints about denied claims or poor customer service. 24/7 emergency assistance services. Choose a provider with a dedicated helpline available at all times, in case you need medical or travel-related assistance while abroad. Some providers even offer telemedicine consultations for minor health concerns. Clear policy terms and conditions. Read the policy wording carefully to ensure it includes everything you need. Be wary of insurers with excessive exclusions or unclear terms. Competitive pricing with comprehensive coverage. The cheapest policy isn't always the best. Make sure you're getting sufficient coverage for medical expenses, trip cancellations, and emergency evacuation. If you travel frequently, consider an annual travel insurance plan for better value. Quick and reliable claims process. Look for providers with straightforward claims, procedures, and positive reviews about payouts. Some insurers allow online claims submission, making it easier to file and track your request. Choosing a reputable provider ensures a stress-free experience, allowing you to focus on enjoying your travels instead of worrying about potential mishaps. Chapter 6. Tips for making a travel insurance claim. Even with the best insurance, filing a claim can sometimes be a hassle. By following these steps, you can streamline the process and increase the likelihood of a successful payout. Step-by-step guide for filing a travel insurance claim. Contact your insurance provider immediately. Whether you've been hospitalized, lost your luggage, or had to cancel your trip, notify your insurance company as soon as possible. Many insurers have a time limit for submitting claims, so don't delay. Keep all receipts and documentation. For medical claims, obtain hospital records, doctor's notes, prescriptions, and receipts for any treatments or medications. For lost/stolen items, file a police report and keep documentation from your airline, hotel, or local authorities. For trip cancellations, retain copies of flight tickets, accommodation bookings, and proof of emergency, doctor's letter, death certificate, etc. Submit claims as soon as possible. Many insurers allow you to file claims online for faster processing. Include all required documentation to avoid delays or rejections. Follow up if necessary. If you don't receive a response within the expected time frame, follow up with your provider. Keep copies of emails, claim forms, and phone call records in case you need to escalate the issue. Know your rights. If a claim is unfairly denied, you can appeal the decision by providing additional documentation or seeking assistance from an insurance regulatory body. By staying organized and proactive, you can ensure a smooth claims process and avoid unnecessary financial burdens while traveling. Have you ever used travel insurance? Share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels and stay safe.